How to use SHEIN points and reward system. Well, SHEIN points can be used as a form of payment to receive a discount on your orders during checkout, up to a maximum of 70% of the total price, excluding shipping, insurance, taxes, and other fees. Well, you generally earn 1 point for every $1 spent based on the product's listing price. Points are automatically credited to your account after you confirm the delivery of your account. So you can see I have 0 points. You'll be able to see the points right here. You can see coupons and you can see points right there, right? So if you do have points, you'll be able to see here. So if you can check in daily and you can get the points as well. So you can see I've earned 1 point right here. So you check in daily and you can get 1 point, and then 1 point equals to $0.01 US. So you want to check in consecutive for here to get the check-in point, and then every purchase you make, you'll get 1 point for $1 spent. So similarly, you also want to confirm your account registration by verifying your email address. You can earn up to 100 points. Also, posting reviews, you can earn points by reviewing purchased items, and as I mentioned earlier, daily check-ins, and also points are randomly given out during SHEIN live stream events when you are logged into your account, so you can check out for that as well, and also make sure to participate in activities. Now, how you can use them? Well, simply log in and add your item to your cart that you would like to purchase, then tap on checkout, and once you proceed to checkout, on the checkout page, after you enter in all your shipping address and payment details, it'll give you the option to use points. If available, you can proceed to use points to pay. So hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.